Question 3, the old classic questionnaire question. So what's wrong with this question? Well, 3 things are wrong, but you only had to write 2 of them. So there is no time frame. How often do you buy crisps? Well, is that every day, every week, every month, whatever? So no time frame. It's too vague. What does often mean? What does sometimes mean? One person sometimes might be once a day, another person sometimes might be once a week. And then thirdly, perhaps the weakest of the 3 points, but it's still valid, it's not exhaustive. This is often, sometimes, and never. What about very other options, like another option like always, for example? So it's not exhaustive. Right, part B, design a better question. Now be careful, when it says design a better question, that not only means the question, but also the response boxes, so make sure you do both. So, for example, how often do you buy crisps each week? Then include 3 or 4 boxes and just make sure that your various options do not overlap, but equally they don't leave any gaps, and don't include any inequalities, don't include any like greater than or equal signs. So this is an example: 0 times, 1 to 2 times, 3 to 7 times, more than 7 times. This may not be a good sample to use. Give one reason. Remember, Richard is going to ask the students in his maths class to answer his questionnaire. Well, the sample may be biased. It may just happen that students are all of a certain age and they're all more likely to like crisps than older people, for example. The other problem is the sample size is too small. You know, maths class is only going to have 30 odd people in there at most, which really isn't enough. So you could give one of these 2 reasons: either the sample is biased, or you could have given the reason the sample is too small. One of these 2 would suffice.